Alright guys, just got done flying the Autel for the first time, and I keep wanting to call it an Evo, but it's not an Evo. It's the, I don't even know the name of the damn thing. The big orange thing, the Orange Crush. The XR Premium, that's it, okay. I'm so used to saying Evo and XR Premium. Anyway, it flew great, okay. There was a lot of lag. You're going to see it in the video. There's a ton of lag in the video. Now, I'm not sure why that's doing that. I'm going to look on some forums. I don't know if it's because I used this iPhone 11 Pro, and this was made back when they had iPhone 6s. So I don't know if it's the operating system, if it's the iOS causing that. So I'm going to try it out with an iPhone 6 or something like that and throw that on there and see if that stops that. And then it didn't recognize the battery at first. And I'm like, I know the battery's okay because I did it in the house when I did that little setup video. But I did more than that after that setup video. I kind of took it off in the house and was flying it around in that empty apartment. And there was it didn't say anything about didn't recognize the battery or anything like that. So I don't really know what the story was with that. And so then I got it going and I was flying it around, but the lag was so bad you really couldn't take it out real far because you couldn't see the screen wouldn't update at all, you know. It was very, very choppy, the video feedback. So I just flew it around here in the park and to try it out, and it flew great. I mean, I didn't have an issue. And then, of course, I had that issue where it said the battery was cold. Man, it's like 50-something degrees out here. I mean, I don't know what they consider to be a cold battery, but after it got up and flew around for a minute, that warning stopped. So, I mean, I don't know what that's about because I never had one of these. I don't know how sensitive it is to temperature and all that crap, but I mean, it flew good while it was flying. I didn't have any trouble at all with it taking off and steering around and all that. And, you know, the battery level wasn't dropping real fast. The battery's not swollen. You know, it seems to be fine. It charged all the way up. You know, I didn't have an issue with it. So we'll see. I'm just going to try a different phone and then we'll see how that works out. All right. You see what we got, the X-Star. We're out here.
Video signal interference.
Aircraft battery 0%. How is that? Let me format the SD card. Give me some unknown battery. It's in there.
Now rotate the drone again, but with the nose facing down. Compass calibration completed successfully.
Okay, so now that we have this unknown battery deal going on here, so I'm not going to be able to fly it very far because I'm not going to be able to trust anything. Let me see the settings for the video. White balance, cloudy. It's always cloudy. Okay, it's always cloudy here. Battery's not swollen or anything, so I don't understand.
App disconnected.
It didn't do that in the house, so let's let it reconnect itself.
Battery too cold.
Okay, it says battery temperature low now. Okay, so it's not even cold out here, to be honest with you. But we'll let it hover there for a minute like it said. So let me start the video again. Okay, so.
Video signal interference. Taking off now. The home point has been reset.
Okay, so this ain't no cold weather drone, that's for sure. If it's 68 degrees, to me, it's not that cold. Okay. Let's just zip it around here for a little bit. And that's going to keep putting this damn warning up here for me. Now I'm getting a lot of lag. Now I don't know why that is that I'm getting all this lag. I don't know if it's the iOS version I'm using. This is an older product, so maybe it's not designed to work with this iOS 11 or 12 or whatever the hell it is. So what I think I'm going to do is bring it out here with an older phone, because everything seems to be functioning fine. It's just that there's a lot of lag. I'm using the iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, I'm not getting that warning anymore, that cold battery warning, so that's not happening. So we'll see. I'll have to see what the video looks like, you know, from the SD card. I mean, it seems fine. But just all the lag. I mean, it is lagging terribly on the screen. Why that is, I have no idea. Very odd. But it's flying great. I don't even have it in GPS mode. I have it in ADI mode still. That's how steady it is in ADI mode. I'm not even in the GPS mode. Let me turn the GPS on. Maybe it'll fly away. Okay, so now it's in the GPS mode. Doesn't seem to make any difference. I think it's fine. I just got to figure out this lag. Other than that, I don't see a problem. All right, so we've been out here 7 minutes and change.
Landing now.
Okay, so we flew it for 8 minutes and change. So I'm gonna stop the video. Okay, so I mean, everything was fine except for the lag in the screen. So we figured that out. We'll be home free. Flew great. No problems. Motors aren't even the least bit warm. I know that battery thing, I mean, it's not even the least bit chilly out here. So I don't know what the hell's going on with that. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.